In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. If you've recently opened your Facebook business tools and found yourself in Meta Business Suite instead of the classic Business Manager, you're not alone. Meta has been gradually moving people over to Business Suite by default, but there is still a simple way to switch back to the older Business Manager interface. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through that process step by step, and we'll keep it really straightforward. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into your address bar and logging into the Facebook account that's connected to your business assets. Once you're logged in, you should land on the Meta Business Suite home dashboard. This is the newer interface where you see an overview of your pages, notifications, and tools all in one place. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple businesses. You can usually switch between them by checking the menu at the top of the page and selecting the right business from the drop-down. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical column with different menu options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that left-hand column. What you're looking for is the Help option. It may appear as Help or Help and Support, but it will always be near the very bottom of that menu. Go ahead and click on Help. When you do this, a small menu or panel will pop up. In this Help panel, you should see several options that relate to support, documentation, or information about using Meta's tools. Among these options, look for the one that says Go to Business Manager. This is the key link that allows you to switch from Meta Business Suite back to the classic Facebook Business Manager interface. Once you've located it, click on Go to Business Manager. After you click it, your browser will redirect you to the Business Manager environment. You should now see the familiar layout with sections for ad accounts, pages, people, and settings instead of the Meta Business Suite dashboard. From here, you can continue managing your assets the way you're used to. If you ever find yourself back in Meta Business Suite again, just repeat these same steps. Open Business Suite, go to the Help section in the bottom left, and select Go to Business Manager.